Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at a 2009 Magic the Gathering promo starter deck. This one is blue, ages 13 and up as always. And these are 30 card decks, so let's see what we've got in here. Now these do come with a little rule sheet that serves as a nice intro to Magic, which I think is a really good idea. Let's see, the cards are wrapped separately from the box, which I like too because it keeps the cards from getting too banged up. Alright, first thing, let's look at the fold out. Paper quality is okay, but it's not great, but it's definitely not the worst we've seen, but it doesn't fold up very easily or very well. It does have what the colors are, and it does have like an ad for some Magic starters, that sort of thing. On the back we've got the quick overview of the rules with a little layout and stuff like that. So pretty neat little starter thing here. It's a good way to get new players in to have promo decks. I'm a big fan of that. I think anything you can use to get new players is generally good. Let's see what kind of cards we've got here. Alright, we've got an island, another island, different island, island, different island. Oh look, an island. Lots of mana. Lots of mana. Another island. Another island. Another island. Another island. You'll note the X on here. Oh, here we go. We're getting into real cards now. We've got Cloud Sprite. Another Cloud Sprite. A Briarberry Cohort, which is from a different set. Another Briarberry Cohort. Then we're back to the X's with Sage Owl. A Sage Owl. A Cloud Elemental. Another Cloud Elemental. A Snapping Drake. Another Snapping Drake. A Thieving Magpie, uncommon. An Air Elemental, uncommon. Robe of Mirrors. Robe of Mirrors. An Unsummon. Disperse, from yet another set. Another Disperse. And lastly, we have Dehydration. So that's what's in the box here. Let's see how many mana cards they're giving us here, because it seems to be the same in all the sets of these. So you get a pretty decent assortment of basic cards there, nothing too fancy. Yeah, 12 of the cards are mana. So out of your 30 cards, almost half of them are just mana. But it's a neat little promo deck. It would probably do pretty well against the other promo decks. And it's only 30 cards, so there's room for expansion. So that's what's in the box. That's going to do it for this episode. As always, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time on What's Inside.